Hi Penny, it's Patina. I've decided to try one last time because I wasn't really happy with my last submission. So I'm actually on holidays in Ceduna. I've got a bit of a cold. I hope the caravan park won't be too noisy for the next 5 minutes. I really get what you said about it's good to learn this in this lesson. So I really wanted to give it one more go. So here is my talk about ginger. So the official name of ginger is Zingiber officinale. I'm not going to attempt to pronounce the family name. And the part that's used is the rhizome, and that is the underground part of the stem. It's really delicious. Ginger tea is lovely to drink, and ginger ale, and it's also used in a lot of dishes. It originated in Southeast Asia, and it's now used throughout the whole world. And it was exported from Asia and was actually used by the ancient Greeks and Romans. And it also has a really strong link to traditional Chinese medicine for a very, very long time. So the main bioactive compound is gingerol, and that is what is responsible for much of its medicinal properties. It's been used to treat seasickness and morning sickness in pregnancy, relieves nausea and vomiting in cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy as well. Another interesting thing that I did find while doing this is a topical use of ginger, mastic, cinnamon and sesame oil to decrease pain and stiffness in osteoarthritis, and I thought that would be really interesting to do a bit more research on. Pardon me. So it has a calmative effect on the digestive system, which basically means that it helps the digestive system to move along. It can relieve flatulence and bloating, helps to empty the stomach quicker. So yeah, it gives us better digestion, and better digestion means we've got a lower risk of developing bowel cancer. It's great. It's really healthy and very, very yummy. And these are the references that I used to make this PowerPoint. I've still gone under time, but I think I'm happier with this. So thank you for teaching us what you've taught us, and hopefully I can upload this and send it to you. Okay, thank you. Bye.